This is everything you need to know to replace a shower head so you can get from this to this. Hi, I'm Nikki. Let's get into it. Alright, the first thing we need to do is turn off the water supply. The last thing you want in your bathroom is the Trevi fountain. Then use your cloth to grip the old shower head and turn it counterclockwise with your shifter. If it's been a while, it might be a bit tough to turn, but a little elbow grease should do the trick. If you have a separate shower arm, remove that in the same way before removing the cover plate. Wrap a thread seal clockwise around the thread. This helps prevent leaks and ensures a snug fit. About 6 to 7 wraps should be enough. Now it's time to install the new shower head. We have chosen this one here, which is a rain shower, but you can choose a different kind depending on your preferences. There are lots to choose from high pressure, water saving and twin shower systems. It's important to choose a new shower head that is compatible with your existing shower fittings. If you need to install a new cover plate, place this on first before installing the new shower arm. Start by turning it clockwise and make it hand tight. Avoid over tightening as this can damage the threads. If necessary, use the shifter with a cloth to gently tighten it further. From here, attach the shower head to the arm. Lastly, turn your water supply back on and give it a test run. Once your shower is running, check for leaks around the connection. If you see any drips, just tighten the shower head a bit more or add more thread seal. And there you have it, a brand new shower head, and you're ready to enjoy a refreshing shower under your new setup. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. We've got plenty of DIY guides coming your way to help you tackle your next project with confidence.